Today I'm going to be reviewing LOLBOX. I'd like to thank LOLBOX for sending this to me to review. This is the second one I've actually seen. It's a little bit different style than what I had before. If you look there, you can see you've got the volume and you can change the level. You can change the mode here, making the flashing lights different. What I really like about this, it does have a song on board, but you can use Bluetooth. You can use your own music, so unlimited music moving around. Now, it does come with MMA gloves. It also comes with 2 ways to mount it. So it's going to come with one of these. You see back here, just double-sided. You put it on the back of the unit like this and put it up against your wall. It also comes with Velcro strips that you can also put on the back. You can recharge it with their cable. So here's the cable, USB-A to USB-C. Now, on the last one that I reviewed, if you put it up against a wall that isn't well made or whatever, and you're, punching it really hard, it's probably going to go through. But for exercise purposes or for your kids, you actually don't have to hit that hard if you're going like this, and it will tell you if you miss or if you make it. But just going all around, boxing's really good exercise. So if you're alternating hitting this is going to be a great workout and a lot more fun for most people who don't want to just run or anything like this. What's really nice, it's a Amazon overall pick. It's got 4.5 stars. I normally see 4.4, so it beats it. It's got over 950 reviews, and last month, October 2025, 2,000 of these were sold. LOL's music boxing machine is probably the way to go. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.